Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Christina, your fashion and beauty advisor. Today is going to be my short video tutorial for the so popular these days Instagram triangular eyeliner. So basically I've seen so many different variations. I've seen thicker ones, I've seen thinner ones, I've seen one that is going upwards, the one that are going outwards, and so on and so forth. The one that I'm going to do today is going to be a quite thick one that is going right straight. So without any further ado, let's jump and get on to the actual tutorial. I've already done the rest of my makeup, so you can do it according to your taste, of course. And what I need now is only an eyeliner and an angle brush. So in my case, I'm going to use the Blacktrack from MAC, my all-time favorite, and this angle brush from INGLOT 33. And as I already said, the shape that I'm aiming is going to be quite straight and triangular, and it's going to connect my upper lash with the lower lash. First, before I even start, I want to say that I don't want like a flick, but I want this to be somewhere here. You can see how far I'm going from the eye, and then now I'm just going to follow the lash line starting from the middle. So basically I'm just gonna track it first. And I want to do it that far so that I can connect it with my lower lash. So if you've seen, this is the shape. What I'm doing now is basically first fill in the gap. And then second, try to refine. And what you also need to know is that the shape of the eyeliner will vary depending on your eye shape. So your eyeliner is not going to look exactly like mine because obviously my shape is different from yours. Of course, if you have more roundish eye like mine, you can try to connect it further with the eye and maybe extend. And now lastly, because I don't want to have it that super sharp, although you can still keep it, you don't even need mascara, but I'm gonna add mascara this time. But I would gladly go out like this without the mascara. I love the look without mascaras also. But I'm gonna take now the DIORSHOW Mono, which is like a black color, and this brush. And what I want to do is like have the smoky effect. I'm gonna curl my lashes with Lauder Mercier's eyelash curler. I would just apply loads of mascara, curl my lashes, apply 2-3 coats of mascara instead of using fake lashes, or especially very longer ones, because this eyeliner effect will be lost as the eyelashes will hide the actual eyeliner shape. And that was the final result of my eyeliner look today. I hope you like it, and if you do, please like and comment down below. Let me know what you want to be my next eyeliner look, and I will be very happy to achieve that for you. So that is for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.